top brand, International Project Stairs, stainless steel railings. DeMose Hardware Company Ltd is a building materials manufacturing business enterprise, which was established in 1994, specializing in researching, designing, producing, and selling project staircases, stainless steel railings, and related accessories. Since 20 years ago, DeMose has been constantly dedicated to the research and study in the field of high-end project stairs, stainless steel railings, brought in global advanced equipment, and offered high-quality service. DeMose obtained a wide range of trust in over 130 countries and regions. At the same time, they made DeMose the largest supplier in project stairs, stainless steel railings, and related accessories. The 6 core advantages make DeMose the leader in global high-end project stairs and stainless steel railings field. Quality Arrangement Assurance System. DeMose invests more than $3.5 million to introduce A-rank standard production line, bring in advanced production management method, build up a complete system of production and quality management. Fully furnished product system. DeMose possesses fully furnished high-end project stairs used for government, villa, outdoor, and indoor buildings. The types of stairs we make are spiral stairs, arc-shaped stairs, L-shaped stairs, U-shaped stairs, straight stairs, and so on. The types of railings cover 304, 316 stainless steel railings, glass railings, cable railings, aluminum railings, solid wood railings, and wrought iron arc railings. Over 15 kinds of series and 2,000 different types, with novel and concise styles. In addition, DeMose developed the stainless steel railings without any welding process, which can be assembled directly with screws, becomes the pioneering in railing industry. Processing and custom making service of product. Through processing with supply drawings, processing according to buyer samples, OEM processing, and other kinds of custom-made product processing. DeMose offer a completely custom-made service for project stairs, stainless steel railings, and other accessories. Systemization of marketing network. By ERP system, DeMose sets up one-stop platform of international project stairs, stainless steel railings, and fitting purchasing. The linking service runs through all the purchasing system, forming such sweeping services as business information, high-efficient source seeking, on-off-line trading, and purchase management. DeMose One-Stop Service System. One-stop centralized base for global custom-making project stairs, stainless steel railings, and accessory sources. One-stop low-cost purchasing service for project stair, stainless steel railings. One-stop solution for project custom making, designing, and manufacturing. One-stop purchasing logistics solution system. One-stop professional after-sales service system. One-stop technique output training system. One-stop new product upgrading supply system. One-stop overseas franchising chain develop system. Reciprocal and reasonable product price. DeMose owns a set of complete standardized railing system, easy for receiving the order of custom project, ancillary use of the installation, with the most competitive price and the best equipped product system. DeMose tries its best to offer the all-around and top-level project supporting service for its clients. Professional and reliable qualification. DeMose is the first company that has passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System and the ISO 14001 Environment Management System, and also gets the honor to receive the certificate as follows: American SGCC Safety Glazing Glass Certificate, Australian ASNZS 2208 Certificate, SGS Certificate, National Mass Detection Qualified Certificate, China Building Decoration Association Certificate, DeMose Trademark Certificate, and so on. DeMose possesses the well-found training system and technical oversee engineering team, rendering an expert technique guidance. Our product and projects extend all over the world, including the municipal engineering, airport, subway, superstore, Star Hotel, chamber, villa, exhibition hall, office building project stairs, and stainless steel railings. DeMose becomes the authorized supplier of Singapore Nanyang Technological University, Burma ASEAN Council House, Kenya University, Cairo University in Egypt, Canadian Museum, Bird Nest, National Stadium in Beijing, White Swan Hotel, modification works in Guangdong, and Hollywood Villa for superstars. And some super riches who need to customize their stairs. In the view of a navigator, DeMose will continuously set up a stage for whom want to realize their dreams, make more effective moment for our society, create more values for our customers. The stair is the building of the buildings. DeMose.